Hello, everyone. I hope you're fine. Today, I call you to talk about one of our competitors named Google Fi and the way that they work. And of course, I'm going to inform you about our new strategies that can greatly help us stay at top of the list among other competitors and carriers. First of all, let's see how Google Fi works. It actually doesn't have its own internet tower and instead uses the network of other carriers like Sprint, T-Mobile, US Cellular, and Wi-Fi network. Now, what are the advantages of Waze? First of all, it allows users to access the strongest signal depending on their location. For example, let's assume someone's using data or calling with their cell phone while they're at home, and they'll leave the house to go to the work or anywhere else. In this case, we expect them to get disconnected, but not only they won't lose their connection, but also it would be switched to the strongest signal, which is a really remarkable point. Second of all, as Google Play is free to pay for building internet tower, they only charge the users for the amount of data they actually use per month. Google Play also provide user with 2 million free open and secured Wi-Fi hotspot. That's really great. You know, a user can share their Wi-Fi with laptops or other devices easily. Regarding the price of Google Fi plan, I've got to say that users have to pay only $20 per month for unlimited call, text, Wi-Fi tethering, and coverage in over 200 countries. And this is with no roaming fee, and it's really great. And they also have to pay $10 per gigabyte of data. I think that this is a really reasonable price, you know. And Google Fi also provide user with affordable group plan. They charge only $15 a month for every additional member, which is really cheaper than that of our plan. Besides, they offer a very good bill protection. As I've already mentioned, they get $10 per gigabyte. But if someone used more than 6 gig in a month, they wouldn't pay more than $16, which is really tempting for users. Moreover, they have a flexible plan. That is to say, users are allowed to change the size of their data plan whenever they want. They also can deactivate their plan. In this case, Google Fi give credit to users' account for each day they keep the service deactivated or for the amount of unused data. Another beneficial service that Google Fi offers is group repay option. This option makes it a straightforward for members to pay the primarily account holder. Now, according to the approaches that Google Fi has applied, what should we do to win the competition? I'm going to point out some practical things. First of all, we have to include more discount for the first-time users and continue it in different forms if they extend their membership. We also can determine valuable rewards for those who introduce our carrier to 10 people, for example. Besides, we need to decrease the price of our package. You know, it's really much higher than that of Google Fi. Not only it's more expensive, but also unlike Google Fi, our basic plan is not unlimited for call, takes, and takes, which is somehow discouraging, you know. And regarding the level of coverage, we have already been able to cover more than 18% parts of the USA, but it is not enough yet. We need to increase and have a say even in other parts of the world. forward. To do this, we can make agreement with different carriers around the world to share our internet tower, you know. This action has many benefits for two sides, including expanding the bandwidth, leading to more demand, decreasing the cost of building infrastructure, which result the availability of affordable service for customers, investing for improving existing infrastructure, and focusing on enhancing the core activities like customer services and decreasing the cost of roaming. Another step that should be taken is to make an automatic plan that allow users to use their unused data in next period, or give them credit for that. And we also can offer more perks with longer period, like annual free membership for music, movie, and game. And if we increase the variety of cell phones models for sale, we can attract even more customer. And the last thing that can be helpful is to create a more affordable group plan that can encourage user to choose us. Mm, These were my opinions, and now I want you to share your ideas and information with us. Thank you very much.